Graphico Art Design presents first 3D Gallery View Virtual National Art Exhibition. Graphico Art Design would like to give special thanks from bottom of heart to Mr. Vijender Sharma, a master contemporary artist from New Delhi, India. A profile which cannot be described in few words. You can find his collections everywhere. Portraits of APJ Abdul Kalam and Pranav Mukherjee at Rashtrapati Bhavan and many more. You can visit vijendersharma.com to see his great collections of work. Dr. Rakesh Kumar, born and brought up in Uttar Pradesh, currently working in Visual Art Department in Mahatma Gandhi Chitrakoot Gramoday University, Madhya Pradesh. He bagged many national and international awards and participated in many exhibitions. He composed this painting with theme Intezar with mixed media on canvas. Aniket Singh from Delhi. He is a student of Technia Institute of Art and Design, Delhi. Recently, he won award in Utkarsh Lalit Kala Academy. He always depicted regular objective theme on canvas in acrylic medium. Manhar Chauhan from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. He has done his Master of Arts from Agra College, Uttar Pradesh. In this painting, he depicted Man Leela in Seva Kunj, a play of God Krishna. This painting is created on canvas board with oil color. Pratibha Dhuria from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, completed her Master of Arts from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University, Kanpur. She has participated in many exhibitions including Lalit Kala Akademi, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and All India Exhibition of Art, Amritsar, Punjab, and bagged many national and international awards. She liked to paint with watercolor on paper. She depicted different forms of nature in her paintings.
Indu Pandey from Varanasi, Master of Fine Arts in Creative Painting, Faculty of Visual Arts, Banaras Hindu University. Presently working as an art teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jalwa, Allahabad. Participated in many national exhibitions and awarded many times.
In this work, she depicted different parts from nature with Prakriti title, means nature. She used mixed media on paper. Kasula Padmavati. She is self-taught artist from Hyderabad. She achieved many awards and rewards in form of world records for her work on emu egg shell and pista shell. She painted 108 different postures of Lord Shiva. In this painting also, Lord Shiva is depicted in one of those forms.
Nitika Sharma, Master of Fine Arts in Painting from Nagpur University. Fellowship from Government Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya Nagpur. Competent and hard-working. She is an art educator in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Hyderabad region. Participated in different national art exhibitions and achieved KVS Incentive Award and other awards.
She composed different life situations in her paintings. Title of this painting is Labyrinth of Corona. Really, we became just like fish in net in this pandemic situation. Just one voice coming from everywhere. Save me. just like this fish. Another painting from Nitika Sharma. We need to be alert so situation could be in control. Both paintings is created with acrylic color on paper. Puspanjali Swain from Jajpur, Odisha. She has done MFA from Indra Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagad, Chhattisgarh. She liked to paint with acrylic color on canvas. Title of the painting is Intermingle. She won several awards at national level and TRI State Award. Theme of this painting is relation of nature with human. Swarupananda Mishra from Kyonjhar, Odisha. He has done MFA from Indra Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagad, Chhattisgarh. His work is exhibited in Odisha Lalit Kala Academy and in many more like Kala Mandala, Birla Art Academy. Title of his painting is Hungry, painted with acrylic color on canvas. Bharat M. Maniar, born and brought up in Surendranagar, Gujarat. He liked to work in abstract form. He used acrylic color as medium on canvas for his painting. Dr. Muhammad Salim from Jaipur, Rajasthan. He liked to work on canvas in oil medium very fluently. In this painting, he shown reflection on nature. Mansi Rastogi from Mumbai, Maharashtra. She is working in banking sector, MBA graduate from NMIMS. She has done diploma in oil pastel, watercolor and oil to create landscape, still life and portraits are her forte. She beautifully painted composition of enlightening Buddha through her painting. Another work is in form of fluid art with title Aesthetic Atmosphere. Mausumi Chaudhary a self-taught artist from Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. She has over 20 years of experience in teaching art to young and bright minds. She loves working with different texture and upcycled items, moving with ease from the figurative and abstract style. She has exhibited her work in many exhibitions at national and international level. Title of her painting is The Mystical Love, painted with mixed media on canvas. Payal Datta, a self-taught artist from Dibrugarh, Assam. She is working in pencil and charcoal technique for more than 3 years, and result we can see. She is specialized in pencil realism. Beside this, she is pursuing Master in Commerce. V. Rahul Patnaik from Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. He is a commercial artist and doing fluently work in oil, enamel, acrylic colors. His work Sadguru beautifully shown in realistic way with oil color on canvas. Chanchal Soni from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She fluently worked with abstract figure composition in acrylic medium on canvas. Mekala Anuradha Das from Sangareddy, Telangana. She has participated in so many art exhibitions and competitions at national and international level. She won WOW international competitions many times. She holds 25 world records like Asian World Record, Brilliant Book of World Record, etc. She painted her work with theme Yoga, an invaluable gift to universe by India, in watercolor.
Anna Bathula Venkanna from Telangana, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Telangana. He has achieved regional and national Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Incentive Award, participated in many national exhibitions and awarded several times.
He possesses MA in Graphic from MS University, Baroda. He has done this work with woodcut block printmaking technique, taken print on paper. He has honored with most coveted award as Best Artist in Botswana in the Republic of Botswana. Dr. Taruna Mathur from Jaipur, Rajasthan, working as TGT Art Education in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Beside this, she is Principal Investigator, Anuragyam Art Department, Chief Editor, Kalayatra Magazine, Director Art Curator at Panas Organization, New Delhi.
She is not only an artist but also a writer, a poet, and a good human being.
With this creative landscape, she is representing vibrant life with acrylic color on canvas. Anup Kumar Singh from Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. He qualified Kalanidhi from National Museum and MFA from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. He exhibited his work in All India Art Exhibition, State Lalit Kala Akademi, Lucknow several times, at Dhumilal Art Gallery, IFAX, New Delhi, etc. He received many national awards from IFAX, State Lalit Kala Akademi, Lucknow, Regional Lalit Kala Akademi, Agra and Aligarh, etc. He depicted layers of nature with mixed media on paper in his first work. In next work, title is Meghdut, in which he beautifully depicted composition with different elements of life. Dr. Chaya Kumari from Mangaluru, Karnataka. Professionally, she is dental surgeon. She has keen interest of explore the hidden folk art of India. She displayed her traditional work in Madhubani style. Title of painting is Prosperity. Lord Ganesha is in center of this theme. Created this painting on canvas board with acrylic color. She is holder of many world records. She made world record of largest Madhubani paintings on canvas, largest Warli painting, longest Gond art, maximum number of painting made by an individual, that is 2200 in only 3 months of lockdown. Title of this painting is Panghat, created on canvas with acrylic color. She bagged many national and international awards. दुर्गा दुर्गति नाशनी or Mahishasur Mardani depicted a form of goddess Durga on canvas with acrylic color. Next painting theme is Divine Love of Radha Krishna, created on canvas with acrylic color. Sushmita Sen Gupta from Agartala, Tripura. She has done diploma in painting from Government College of Art and Craft, Agartala, Tripura. While studying in Art College in Agartala, she was awarded by the college and Rabindra Parishad. Her painting themes include reflection, loneliness, indifferent, devotion, armor, etc. She generally used different texture to symbolize her theme. Purnima Arora from New Delhi. She works with the blend of creativity and sensitivity. In her first painting, she represented abstract spiritual art created in acrylic color. She loved to work with acrylic and oil color. Her work reflects divine force and colors reflect her personality. She believes art as perfect therapy for all the imperfection of the world. Title of this painting is Shiv Swaroop, created in oil color on canvas. Next painting representing tribal woman. She used mixed media including plastic shell, beads to create this composition. Art to her is meditative and brings forth the spirit. Anjali Prabhakar from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. She depicted Nirvana theme in her first painting. In this painting, she is showing 8 auspicious symbols of Buddhism. She used mixed media to create this painting on canvas. Next painting theme is Dhanvantari, acrylic on canvas, depicted in form of Gondat with fusion work. Dhanvantari is a tree of Lakshmi Yantra and Subh Lakshmi symbol like elephant, owl. Abs. This form is a symbol of God Vishnu and Lakshmi. It's also called Sankha, created with acrylic on canvas. Bodhi of Passion, acrylic on canvas. Passion means Josh and it's related to horse. So here 7 horses are the symbol of sun which gives energy to our lives. Savita Chugh from Amritsar, Punjab. She is freelance artist. She is doing painting from her childhood. Got selected in JJ School of Art and Sayaja Rao University, Baroda. She took admission in Sayaja Rao University, Baroda, but left course in between. After a long time, when the kids left the nest, she again picked up the brush and started painting. Her title of paintings are Veiled Beauty, Blissful Swirl, Happy Roses, etc. She loves to paint with oil color on canvas.
Mr. Bijendra Pratap, Master of Fine Arts in Painting from Banaras Hindu University in 2010, self-inspired artist from India. He has a natural love with colors and started playing with them at an early age. His master strokes always create something which can be loved by anyone else. He has been awarded many times.
He is master in different mediums of color. Powerful strokes can be easily observed in his painting. He loves to make paintings on different themes, but Krishna Radha is his favorite topic. Landscape and Lord Krishna painting created on canvas with acrylic color.
Mrs. Kehkashan, MFA from AMU Aligarh, presently working in Kendriya Vidyalaya ITBP Dehradun. Achieved KVS Regional and National Incentive Award, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Award in the category of Creative Painting, Active Teacher Award, and many other national and international awards in the field of painting and poetry. She usually worked in the negative technique of watercolor but never stopped doing experiments with other techniques and mediums.
उम्मीद के दामन तले, उम्मीद के दामन तले सपने गई लेकर चले। महके गली और हर डगर, महके गली और हर डगर खुशियों का गुल हर सू खिले। नई रोशनी सुबह की हो ये शाम अब ऐसे ढले। उम्मीद के दामन तले सपने गई लेकर चले। देखो कितनी लाशों पर आज कमल के फूल खिले हैं। कितने अपने अपनों से वक्त आखिर नहीं मिले हैं। कहाँ चले थे लेकर मकसद गंगा को चमकाने का। कहाँ गई मेरी वो गंगा, देखो सबके होठ सिले हैं। किया था कत्ल मेरा कामयाबी पाने को, किया था कत्ल मेरा कामयाबी पाने को। लगे कतार में खुद ही जहां से जाने को। बड़ा गुरूर था, बड़ा गुरूर था कुदरत पे हावी होने का। हुए क्यों आज वो मोहताज सांस पाने को, किया था कत्ल मेरा कामयाबी पाने को। भले ही कामयाबी की कसम हमने उठाई है, मगर इसकी बड़ी कीमत हमी ने तो चुकाई है। तबाह करने को बैठे हैं ये कुदरत और इसकी रूह, गई जो चीज़ दुनिया से कभी वापस ना आई है। भले ही कामयाबी की कसम हमने उठाई है।
I would like to give thanks to Mr. B. Sekhars for supporting us. He is chairman of World Art Organization. Thank you to be part of our National Art Exhibition. His painting, musical play, cat-ups created on canvas with acrylic color. Vikram Kumar from India, born and brought up in Madhubani, Bihar. He always has passion. He always has passion to do something different in field of art and design. Graduated from NIFT New Delhi, he bagged several national and international awards like Usha International Award as fashion designer. He has exhibited his fashion skill at national and international level. His unique technique of macrame knotting placed him in a different position in the field of art. Bhagwan Lal Prasad, born and brought up in Sitamarhi, Bihar, a true artist with true soul of art, inspired by his mother Lakshminiya Devi. He has created more than 300 paintings in the journey of his 25 years of research on Alauddin story saga. He is multi-dimensional artist, worked in sculpture, painting, murals, plays, etc.